Class 6 Computer, Lesson 2 File Management, Organization of Data, Part 2. Knowing different file formats. File extensions. Each file in computer system has an extension. If you have seen files in your computer, they will be having name, then dot, and then 3 or 4 letters after it. So file extension is written as first file name, then dot, and then extension. Example of Word file. If a Word file, I'm giving an example, rohit.docx. So extension of Word files are docx. Each application software saves a file with its own extension. So all the application softwares, they have their own extensions. When you save file in any of the software, it saves with its own extension. Some of the examples are for Word, .docx, for Excel, .xlsx, for PowerPoint, .pptx. Thus, with the help of extension, we can find out type of file. So if you are using uh, application softwares, you will slowly learn with the help of extension to find out that which type of file it is. So extensions make us find out or help us to find out the type of file. Some of the extensions that we usually see are audio files. So for audio files, some of the extensions that we see are .mp3, .wav, .wma, etc. For video files, you can see .mp4, .avi, .wmv, etc. For image file, for pictures, .jpg, .png, .gif, etc. We can also identify some of the file types by the file icons. So frequent use of same type of file. So if we are using frequently any type of files, we can make out with the icons also. So you can see two icons are showing. One is for PowerPoint, first one, and the second one is for MP4. Another one, this is for Word document, and this is for Excel document. So this is how extensions help us to find out the type of file we are dealing with or we are working with. Searching files using wildcard characters. When we do not remember the exact name of the file, then we use the wildcard characters to find them. So if we don't remember the file name and we need to search it, so we replace the name with the wildcard characters. Microsoft Windows operating system support two wildcard characters. So two wildcard characters are supported by Microsoft operating systems. First one is asterisk. It's shaped like star. And next one, second one is question mark. Asterisk represent one or more characters. That means in a file name, asterisk can take place of one letter, or it can even take a place of full name. So asterisk represent one or more characters. Question mark represents single character. So question mark can replace only a single character, single alphabet in a name. Use of wildcard character asterisk. Now we'll see the uses of asterisk in different cases. Asterisk can be used in place of text in search term. That means you can replace the full name. Now if you write this asterisk, this is used to search for file whose names are starting with this. So if any file name is starting with this but you don't remember the rest of it, rest of the name, then you can just put this and star. Star disk or asterisk disk is used to search for files whose names are ending with this. So any file, if you have saved, you just remember that the last letters were dis, dis, then you can just put star dis for searching these types of file ending with the names ending with dis. So asterisk dis asterisk is used to search for file whose name contain this. That means in starting also some other alphabets will be there, and in end also some other alphabets will be there. So any file name that is containing dis in the middle of its name, so you have to search by asterisk dis asterisk. To search file of particular extension, example docx, these are word files, so you have to write star.docx. That means it can be of any name. So all docx file, that means all word files will be displayed if you search with this format asterisk dot docx. Use of wildcard character question mark. Question mark can be used in place of single letter or symbol in search term. So question mark can replace only a single alphabet or a symbol in search terms. If you know the starting of the file name, let's say this, and you know that the name was 7-letter word, then you can use question mark as. Now here is an example how to search with the help of question mark. So if you know that the file name starts with this and 7 letters were there, so how to use question mark in such case? You have to write dis and 4 times, because 3 alphabets are dis and 4 alphabets you have to replace with question mark, so you have to put 4 question marks because question mark can replace only a single alphabet. So that's why we are putting 4 question marks, and the after that dot extension. If you know the file name, say class, but forgot the extension, then you can use, so you know the name of the file, but after dot you don't know what was there. So you can write class dot 3 question marks if 3-letter extension is there, and question mark class dot 4 times question marks for 4-letter extension. So some of the computers support 3-letter extension and some of the computers support 4-letter extension. So if 3-letter extensions are there, you have to put 3 question marks, and 4-letter extensions are there, you have to put 4 question marks. We can also use wildcard characters to search words. Example, to search for words like hello, hero, hell, helicopter, etc. You can use H asterisk E asterisk. So with the help of wildcard characters, you can search words also. Example is given there for words like hello, hero, hell, helicopter. For such type of words, you can use H asterisk E asterisk. So how many? This asterisk replaces one or more. So if one letter is there in middle, it will replace it. If more letters are there, more alphabets are there, it will replace all. So you can search words also with the help of wildcard characters. Arranging files by name, size, date of creation or modified. So the files can be arranged using these options. in different methods, you can, with different forms you can arrange. So the steps that are given in book, they are from Windows 7, but in this computer Windows 10 is there, so little different steps are there, but the action will be same. So we'll see how to do it in Windows 10. Go to View, click on it, go to Sort By, and then we'll start with the size. Okay, so we'll click on size. So according to size, these files are arranged. Biggest file is on top and smallest one is at the bottom, and after that folders will be arranged. Okay, so this is how you arrange by size. Now again we'll go to View, Sort By, and click on Date Created or Modified. So we'll click on this. Now according to dates they are arranged. Latest one is at the top and the oldest one is at the bottom. Now we'll arrange by name. Sort by name, and now according to the names, files and folders are arranged. So this is how you arrange files by name, size, date of creation in Windows 10.